students. I'm Deepa SV, who is working as assistant professor in the Department of Sociology at Government First Aid College, Chikbalapura. Today, in the 49th session of the third semester sociology class of Sociology of Mass Media and Communication paper, we are going to talk about the questions which had appeared in the previous years from Unit 4. This is going to help you for your reading material and also going to improve for your writing skills, because you need to answer all the questions which I am going to discuss over here. The 5 marks questions which appeared in the year 2015 is state the duties of media in democracy. In the year 2016 and 2019, give the meaning of freedom of press. And what are the limitations of print media appeared in the year 2017. These are all for 5 marks. State the meaning of rural development, which appeared in the year 2018. And state the meaning of economic development appeared in the year 2021. For all these things, you need to answer in 8 to 10 sentences and also try to give 1 or 2 examples. Then 10 marks questions, here we are going to I'm going to tell you what are the questions that had come in the previous years. In the year 2015, examine the role of newspapers in democracy. In the year 2016, analyze the role of media in society. And in the year 2017, statement question has come, that is, media are the people's voice in democracy. Examine. You need to put forth your arguments, how media is helping in running the government in a proper manner with the help of by helping the people. And then in the year 2018, elucidate the objectives of rural development in India. In the year 2019, discuss the role of media in rural development, a twisted question or a different kind of a question. And in the year 2021, analyze the role of media in democracy. All these things are more important questions. And for the 15 marks questions, what are the questions that are appeared in the previous years? Describe the role of mass media in rural development that appeared in the year 2015. In the year 2016, elucidate the role of mass communication in political development of India, and how mass communication is responsible for social development. Elucidate. This question appeared in the year 2017. Discuss the role of media in economic development. This appeared in the year 2018. Another statement question had come in 2019, that is, media is the fourth estate of democracy. Explain. And in the year 2021, describe the role of mass communication in political development. These are all the questions that appeared in the previous years. In the study material, I have given you the instructions as to how you have to answer for all these questions. Thank you very much.